Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video we are going to solve this question, and in this question we find the value of x and y. And in our question it's given that an x and y belong to a real number. So we have a x cube plus 3 times product of x y square is equal to 14. This is our first equation. And the second equation is a y cube plus 3 times product of x square y. This is equal to minus 13. So let's start. First of all, we add equation 1 and 2. This is our equation 1, and the second equation is a y square cube plus 3 times product of x square y. This is equal to minus 13. Now we add these two equations, then we get x cube plus 3 times product of xy square plus y cube plus 3 times product of x square y. Add right hand side, then we get 1. Now in the next step, here we recall this identity, which is a x plus y whole cube. This is equal to x cube plus 3 times product of x square y plus 3 times product of xy square plus y cube. So according to this identity, this part and this part are the same, so we can write this equation as a x plus y whole cube is equal to 1. Now in the next step, we take a cube root on both sides of this equation. So take a cube root on this side and also take a cube root on this side. This cube and cube root cancel, we just get x plus y is equal to, this is equal to 1. This is our next equation, and we call this our equation number 3. Now in the next step, we subtract these two equations. So we have a x cube plus 3 times product of x y square. This is equal to 14. And the second equation is a y cube plus 3 times product of x square y. This is equal to negative 13. We subtract these two equations, then we get x cube plus 3 times product of xy square negative y cube negative 3 times product of x square y, and the right hand side will become a 27. Now here we recall another property, which is a x minus y whole raised to the power cube. This is equal to x cube negative 3 times product of x square y plus 3 times product of xy square negative y cube. So this part and this part is the same, so we replace this one by x minus y whole raised to the power cube. This is equal to 27. Now in the next step, we take a cube root on both sides of this equation. This will cancel, we just get x minus y. This is equal to cube root of 27 is a 3. This is our equation 4. Now we solve equation 3 and 4. This is our equation 3, and the equation 4 is a x minus y. This is equal to 3, and equation 3 is a x plus y. This is equal to 1. Add these two equations. The first term will become a 2 times x, the second term will cancel, and this side is a 4. Now we just find the value of x. For this, we divide this equation by 2 on both sides, divide this side by 2, and also divide this side by 2. This 2 and 2 cancel, we just get x is equal to 4 divided 2 is a 2. So the value of x is a 2. Now we find the value of y. For this, we put the value of x in this equation. This is our equation 4. X minus y is equal to 3 and x is a 2. So if we write 2 minus y is equal to 3. We write this as a 2. We shift this 3 to left hand side, then is a negative 3, and we shift this y to right hand side, then is a positive y. Now 2 minus 3 is a negative 1. This is equal to y, and this is the answer of y in our question. Now verify our answer. X is a 2 and the y is a negative 1. So for verification, we select equation 1, which is a x cube plus 3 times product of xy square is equal to 14. So this is a 2 cube plus 3 times x is a 2 and y is a negative 1 whole square. We check this is equal to 14 or not. So 2 cube is a 8 plus 3. This is a 2 and negative 1 square is a 1. Multiply these value, then we get 6. The right hand side 8 plus 6 is a 14 and right hand side is also a 14. So we have done, and in our question x is equal to 2 and the y is equal to negative 1.